Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gudetama. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large curve across for the top of the head. And then let's bring it down on each side. Now we're going to hop in and draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw two angles down and out. And connect it at the bottom. Now we're going to hop up and draw the eyes. Let's draw two long ovals on an angle. And color them both in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop down and draw the arms. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down and back up like this. And now let's hop to the center and let's draw the eggshell. Let's draw a V-shaped point up in the middle. Then another point out and down on each side. Now let's continue it on the other side of the arm with a small angle out. Then let's angle it up on each end. Now to continue the shell, let's draw two long curves down and in, stopping here. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's draw a curve down and up on each side. And then close off the bottom of the shell with a curve across. Now let's hop in, and on top of each foot, let's draw a V-shaped point that's longer on each side. And then let's draw an angle up on each end. And that's it for Gudetama. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!